Guys, last time we solved this question. Let's move on to next question I have in the file. Miss Stephens drove through a total of 36 intersections on her way home from work to last week. At 4 of every 16 intersections, Miss Stephens had to stop for a red light before she could drive through. At how many intersections did Miss Stephens have to stop for a red light? So, create an equation, create a two fraction. I'm going to have the pair of numbers as ratio. So, for every 16 intersections, I know it's a little bit more I need to consider. So every 16 intersections, every out of 4 out of 16 intersections she needs to stop. And how many intersections she passed through? So 36, right? Once again, the same word, the same line. I need to keep up in the same spot. So, same place. 4 goes into 16 how many times? 4 times. So, let me bring down here. 1 over 4 is going to be as equal fraction as 36 over x over 36. 4 goes into 36 how many times? 9 times. So, whatever I do at the bottom, I have to do at the top. So, it's going to be 9 times. That means she's going to stop 9 times. Next question. Once again, I'm going to use this acronym in this code. A sea turtle made 460 dives. I'm going to put D in 12 hours. And at this rate, how many dives did the sea turtle make in 3 hours? We wonder for 3 hours. Look at here, please. The same word, the same line. So let's look at here. 3 goes into 12 how many times? 4 times. If I go through it that way, it's going to be multiplication. If I go through it this way, since I need to have the unknown number here, I'm going to do the same thing by division. 3 goes into 12, 4. That means if I go through this way, I'm going to do division 4 times. 4 by 4. So whatever I do at the bottom, I have to do at the top as well. That means I'm going to divide 460 by 4. Let's do it over here. 460 gonna divide it by 4. So let's do it here. 4 goes into 4 1 times. 1 time. Bring down 6. 4 goes into 6 1 time. And 2 left. I need to bring down 0. 4 goes into 20 5 times. So our answer is going to be G as in girl. Next one and last question for this video. Sam and David each washed a car. So I have 2 people. I'm going to put their first letter. Okay. Sam spends 5 minutes washing his car. For every 2 minutes David spends washing his car. So Sam is spending 5 minutes and David is spending 2 minutes. Each boy started washing his car 4 p.m. and David finished washing his car 4:30. That means this guy spends 30 minutes. And we wonder how many minutes Sam gonna spend. And we don't know how many minutes he spent. But what we do know from this ratio, we can find out how many minutes he's supposed to spend. 2 goes into 30 how many times? 15 times. Whatever I do at the bottom, I have to do at the top. 5 times 15 will give us 75 minutes. This gentleman needs to spend 75 minutes. But I need to all my options written as hour as minutes. So I'm going to transform this one into hour. So in 1 hour I have 60 minutes, so 75 minutes will be equal to 1 hour and 15 minutes. So what I'm gonna do, I get this time he needs to spend for washing a car, and his initial point was 4 p.m. I'm gonna add this hour to initial point, which is 1 hour and 15 minutes. If I add them up, it's going to be 5 hour. It will be 5 and 15 p.m. 5:15 p.m., which is here. Please be careful when you have ratio like this and use this idiom, the same word, the same line, like I did for this video for 3 questions. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.